Hi friends, this is your friend Vinay Kumar Singh, and from this video I'm going to cover the CSIR topics. Let's talk about the first thing which is there is chemical bonding and amino acids. Okay, so this is our earth. Okay, this is our earth. This is our earth. You have read about periodic table. Okay, so periodic table, this is something like this. There are many elements in this. So the elements present here are actually present on our earth. You can say our earth is composed of these elements and combination of these elements, and our earth has an outer covering of gases which is known as our atmosphere. So this is our atmosphere. Okay, there are many gases. Nitrogen is in highest amount, then oxygen is there, and then other gases. Okay, so this is our atmosphere, this is our earth, and our atmosphere is made up of these elements. Okay, there are 110 somewhere elements. Okay, so these elements are actually here. Everything which is there on earth is made up of these elements, and the first thing for starting biological science is to study about the biological interactions. Okay, so biological interactions means one atom is how one atom interact with other atom. Okay, so there as H, they form O, H2, O with O form O2, C plus O2, they form CO2. These are the interactions. So these are biological interactions. This is of two categories. There are covalent and non covalent interactions. Okay, in covalent interactions are the strong bonds and very stable. Non-covalent bonds are weak and non-stable. Covalent interaction is the sharing of one or more pair of electrons. In non-covalent interactions, like includes ionic bond, hydrogen bond, and many things are there, like van der Waals forces. Okay, like dipole interaction, these things are there. You can read it from any very basic book. Okay, so let's come to the amino acid part. Okay, so you should know all about the neutron, proton, what is atomic weight and atomic number, these things. And when you start studying about amino acids, okay, so these, not all from that periodic table, uh, not all present in I can say, if this is human, not all these elements present in humans, or you can say this is plant. Okay, so not all these elements are present in humans or plant. The elements which is present in our body are called biomolecules. molecules. Okay, and in this which is present in living organisms. So living organisms contain some elements or molecule in higher amount, like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. Okay, these makes about 99% of these living things. Okay, and these by combining form the major macro molecules of our body, or precisely saying our cells. Okay, so what are these molecules? Polysaccharides or carbohydrates, and these are lipids. Third is amino acids, that is proteins, and the nucleic acids. Okay, so first we will start from amino acids. As I said, what are amino acids? Amino acids. Amino acids are compound containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These serves as the monomers of proteins. Actually, if we say this is amino acid, this is amino acid, so further by combining these forms proteins. Okay, so what is the basic structure of an amino acid? When we see, there is a carbon, central carbon atom, here is hydrogen, here NH3, NH3, okay, and here is a COO group, and here is a R. This is called a side chain. And in biological system there are 22 amino acids. Okay, and these 22 amino acids only differ in this R chain. Okay, these three are similar, only R group is variable in all 22. Okay, and these are called alpha amino acids. Alpha because this amino acid is uh, attached here at directly alpha carbon is some if there will something like this NH3, then it will be alpha, it will be beta, then this was the beta amino acid. But all in our body we have alpha amino acid which forms protein. Okay, so the amino acids which form proteins are alpha amino acids. Okay, this was the general structure of an amino acid.